The 2018 Genesis G80 Sport is going to be displayed at the company's stand at the Detroit Motor Show, next to the already available G90 flagship. The most dynamic model Genesis made yet employs a twin-turbo 3.3-liter direct-injected V6 with 365 horsepower and 376 pounds-to-foot, paired to an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Genesis also upgraded the suspension and the software of the gearbox in order for the 2018 G80 Sport to offer better performance and sportier handling. Customers will also be offered the option of an all-wheel drive system. The new G80 Sport features a more aggressive exterior styling with copper details to make it stand out more from its lesser siblings. Other differences include a set of unique 19-inch alloy wheels, genuine carbon fiber trim for the cabin, leather sports seats and more. The new Genesis model will also come packed with a full range of technology and advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, driver attention alert and a multi-view camera.